In this video, you'll discover breathtaking aerial views of northern England, from ancient fortresses to wild coastlines. Welcome to Northumberland, a place where ancient walls meet untamed nature, where castles hold centuries of secrets, and every landscape tells a story. Today, we explore 8 of the most stunning places in this magical region. The Angel of the North, created by British sculptor Antony Gormley, the Angel of the North is made of weathering steel. At 20 meters tall and 54 meters wide, it's more than just a monument. It's a modern symbol of strength and resilience in the North, a guardian of the land and a symbol of rebirth after industrial decline. Built on the site of a former coal mine, it represents the transition from the industrial past to a modern future. Its outstretched wings seem to protect the surrounding area and welcome all who pass by. Alnwick Castle, one of the most beautiful and famous castles in England. It may be known to many as a filming location for Harry Potter, but it holds over 900 years of real history. Home to the Percy family, one of the most powerful noble families in northern England. The castle is still inhabited, making it the second largest occupied castle in England after Windsor Castle. Chollerford Bridge. On the banks of the River Tyne lies the quiet village of Chollerford, once crossed by Hadrian's Wall. Here stands one of the oldest stone bridges in England, built in 1785. While some bridges in Britain are older, this one stands out for its elegance, 18th century design, and continued use. Its durability makes it a valued historic and engineering landmark in northern England. Walltown Crags. Running along the ridges of dramatic hills, this stretch of Hadrian's Wall offers some of the most breathtaking views in the region. Walltown Crags is often linked to Game of Thrones, as landscapes like this inspired the idea of the giant ice wall in the north. With steep cliffs and sweeping vistas, it's easy to see why this spot sparked imaginations and stories. Hadrian's Wall. Built in 122 AD, Hadrian's Wall is a powerful monument to the Roman presence in Britain. In the early 2nd century, the Romans controlled most of Britain, but constant raids from the north, by Celtic tribes like the Picts, threatened their hold. So Emperor Hadrian ordered the construction of a fortified boundary to protect Roman lands. The wall was more than defense. It was a statement of Roman power and engineering, marking the edge of the empire. Holy Island, Lindisfarne. An island of legends, monasteries, and tides. Accessible only during low tide, Lindisfarne is home to ancient ruins, a historic priory, and a castle perched above the sea. Here, every wave seems to echo a prayer from the past. Union Chain Bridge. The oldest suspension bridge still in use by vehicles in the world. Built in 1820, the Union Chain Bridge spans the River Tweed and connects England and Scotland. A historic marvel of early engineering, still standing and functioning over 200 years later. Marsden Grotto, a pub carved directly into a seaside cliff. One of the most unusual pubs in all of England. Set against dramatic coastal rock, Marsden Grotto combines natural spectacle with warm, cozy charm. Eyemouth, a charming Scottish fishing town right on the border with England. Famous for its herring industry and long maritime history. In 1881, a terrible storm claimed the lives of over 180 fishermen, one of the region's worst sea disasters. Today, Eyemouth is a peaceful seaside town with a picturesque harbor, sandy beaches, and fresh seafood. It's surrounded by natural beauty, ideal for walks and wildlife watching. At the top of the screen, you'll find a link to see more stunning drone footage of these incredible locations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more hidden gems of the UK with us.